Discover the magic of the rice cooker steamer tray, the secret weapon in the kitchen. Hello, nice to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. Did you know? The rice cooker steamer tray, a seemingly useless and often forgotten item, actually has many surprising uses. Instead of just using the pot to cook rice, take advantage of the steamer, a multi-purpose assistant in the kitchen. After a period of exploration and experience, I have found extremely smart and effective tips to help this small steamer maximize its value without any additional cost to you. Let's explore with me now. Method 1. Making skewered meat. When making skewered meat, skewering each piece by hand is often very slow, and it is easy to get the skewer stuck in your hand. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. At this time, you only need a steamer with holes at home. Turn the steamer upside down. Place the piece of meat that needs to be skewered into the hole. Then skewer the skewer from top to bottom through the hole. Skewering will be very fast and safe for your hands. You will find that skewering becomes easy, clean, and neat. Whether you use it at home or open a hot pot or barbecue restaurant, you can try this method. Method 2. Use to separate the seeds of jujubes, red dates. Jujubes are a nutritious food, but removing the seeds is quite a bit of work. In the past, I had to use a knife or scissors to cut them or peel them by hand, which was both time-consuming and wasted meat, and sometimes not very pretty. Since I learned this method, I have found that separating the seeds has become quick and simple. Turn the steamer upside down. Place each jujube on the holes, then use the tip of a chopstick to press the middle of the fruit. The seeds will slide out immediately, while the flesh remains intact. De-seeding jujubes is a hassle, but it is very necessary, especially in homes with elderly people or children, to avoid choking on hard seeds, which is very dangerous. In the past, jujubes were cut into small pieces or crushed, which looked very ugly. With this method, the seeds are removed cleanly and the flesh is intact. You can eat it right away or slice it to make tea, cook porridge, cook soup. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Very beautiful and can be used as a decoration for many types of drinks. So, quickly take out the steamer in the house to try it. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Method 3. Use to dry fruit peels. Prepare 3 clips and clip them evenly on the edge of the steamer, so that the distance between the clips is the same. Then, take 3 strings about 60 centimeters long. Tie one end of all 3 strings together firmly. Next, tie each remaining end of the string to each clip. So you have created a drying cage. Just hang it on the drying rack on the balcony, and you can easily dry the fruit inside. The holes at the bottom of the steamer help ventilate, evaporating water faster, very suitable for drying. Do you find it useful? Method 4. Use to store vegetables and fruits. When washing vegetables and fruits, we often need to drain quickly or do not have a suitable basket. At this time, a steamer is a great solution. With large holes, water from vegetables will drain quickly without having to buy an additional basket. Or you can put the vegetables that need to be washed in the steamer. Shake gently while washing. The dirt will flow away, and the water will also quickly drain during the shaking process. Very convenient. Method 5. Use to steam vegetables, dumplings, meat, etc. If the food fits the size of the steamer, you can steam it directly in the rice cooker. If the food is too much or too big, you just need to get a pot larger than the steamer. Pour a little water into the pot. Then place the steamer on top. Then place the food on the steamer. At this time, the steamer acts as a specialized steamer, with small holes evenly distributed to help steam spread everywhere. Very convenient. I often use this method to steam chicken, sweet potatoes, corn. Just add water, place the steamer, turn on the stove, wait for it to cook, and it's done. In addition, when buying fruit, if you don't open the packaging in time, they can easily overcook or rot, causing waste. At this time, you can use a steamer to hold the fruit. Also, very convenient. Do you find the rice cooker steamer useful? What do you usually use the steamer for? Please share in the comments section so everyone can learn. After using the steamer, it often has a smell. The food is difficult to clean. I show you a little trick to get rid of food odors in just 2 minutes. Prepare 1 fresh lemon. Rinse the steamer with dishwashing liquid to remove remaining grease. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Slice the lemon into thin slices or squeeze the juice. Put a few slices of lemon or a small cup of diluted lemon juice in the steamer. add water to the rice cooker as you would for normal steaming. Attach the steamer to the pot. Turn on the steam mode, cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. After finishing, let it cool and rinse the steamer with warm water. Lemon helps to remove fishy smell, disinfect, and leave a pleasant aroma. This way, the steamer will no longer have the unpleasant smell of food. Quickly look in the kitchen to see if you have a rice cooker steamer. Trust me, if you don't have one, you will regret missing out on this versatile and convenient item. The video ends here. If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment below. If you find the video useful, please like and share it with your relatives and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your support. See you in the next video.